Hi, good day. My name is Tyree Smith, and in this video, which is part of a series of videos, we'll be demonstrating how to install Windows Server on a pre-configured environment created through Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Please note, at any point in this video, feel free to pause, rewind, or fast forward for your benefit. Let's begin. What is Windows Server? Windows Server is simply an operating system which was created by Microsoft for the use on servers. Before we start our environment, we like to ensure that our settings meet our specifications. We do so by clicking on the Settings tab. In my case, I'll need to ensure that my network is completely configured so that after completion of the installation, I'll have network features available. You can see that our adapter is set to NAT and our adapter type is Intel Pro 1000. We then start our environment. In this window, we'll be prompted to select the image file we'll be using for the installation. Here, we'll be asked to choose the language, the current time, and the keyboard settings. I will leave all mine as English and my input method as US. Then we begin the installation. We then choose the version of the installation we like. You can either choose the server core or the GUI. Please note that the server core installation incorporates command line, where the GUI is graphical user interface. Here, I'll be using a standard GUI. We accept the terms and conditions, custom install, and we select the partition to which the installation will take place. In the event that you want to divide your partition, you can just click Advanced and press New, or you could select the partition that you've created during the configuration of your environment. After the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to create a password. Please note that it's good practice to create a strong password which comprises of a capital letter, a number, as well as a symbol. And click Finish. You will then be faced with a lock screen. To get past this, simply navigate to the keyboard, which is located in your VM Manager's input, keyboard, insert Ctrl-R-Delete. You'll then be prompted to enter the password you created. On successful installation of your Windows Server, you'll be faced with the Server Manager dashboard on your newly installed Windows Server. To close your server, navigate to the File tab and click Close. Here, you'll be faced with a pop-up window to save the machine state, send a shutdown signal, or to power off. Note that saving the machine at its current state saves time when you return to your server. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.